everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is SimplyBriannaB, and if you are a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much. Welcome back, all of that. Today, we are going to be talking about affirmations because in one of my previous videos, I talked about what manifestation is and what the law of attraction is. So today I'm going to be telling all of you guys who are aspiring entrepreneurs, or if you are an entrepreneur, I'm going to be telling you some affirmations that you can use to better your business and to bring some opportunities to you. Before we start, all of the affirmations that I am telling you guys today are from my Pinterest. So first of all, follow my Pinterest board. It is called Secret Law of Attraction on SimplyBriannaB at Pinterest. Okay, so number one is going to be, I am building a positive and powerful business. This affirmation is from selfpause.com. I like this one because just hearing the words, my business is powerful and positive, just hearing those words make you feel good, and it makes you visualize how your business is going to be when it's successful, or if it is successful, it's going to keep being successful. And I just like that. I love the words powerful and positive. Those are very good words for affirmations. Number two, my business is a huge success. This one is from emmajohnsonandco.com. And this one is, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Everybody wants their business to be a success. And if you say these words, it will come true. It's very general. It doesn't have to be specific. It applies to any business, and you're going to be successful. Number three, I am worthy of the success coming my way. This one is from mymissiontoescape.com. Although this one is not business specific, it is helpful because a lot of people in business or in the influencer space or whatever, they feel like they are not enough, or they don't deserve what they have or what's coming to them. Or sometimes you feel like, I'm not good enough for whatever. I'm not good enough to be a YouTuber, or I'm not good enough to make all of this money in my business. So this one will change your mindset. It will let you know that you are worthy of all of the success that's coming to you. Number four is, people love doing business with me. And this one is from lulu.com. I love this one because it applies to all different types of businesses. It could be you're selling shirts, you're selling makeup, anything. You're a YouTuber, you're an influencer, a blogger. You're saying people love doing business with me. So in all of those spaces that I just mentioned, you have to do business with people, whether it's doing a brand deal or getting clients or selling something to people. It's going to attract the right people to your business, because you don't want anybody coming to your business. You want the right people for your business coming to you. So this affirmation is going to attract those people who you are going to love and who are going to love you and your business. The last one is my all-time favorite, and it is, I am a client, subscriber, follower, whatever, fill in the blank. I am a blank magnet. Okay? If you're selling something, or if you're just an influencer, you can fill in whatever blank you want to. Like if you're a nail tech, for example, I am a client magnet. You will get more clients to your nail business. If you're just selling something, I am a customer magnet. If you're pursuing Instagram or YouTube, I am a follower. I am a subscriber magnet. You can tailor it to yourself, and it will literally attract more people to you. The people that you want to come to you will come to you with this affirmation. Oh, this one is also from lulu.com. So before you go, I have told you all 5 of the affirmations, but now I just want to speak a little bit about how to specifically use these affirmations, so you don't just say them and it doesn't do anything and you say it doesn't work for me. The simple key to using these affirmations is to make sure that you are in a positive, happy, or good mood. As long as you're in a positive mood, these affirmations will begin to work for you. If you need to find a place that makes you happy, or if you need to go on a drive or something, get in the shower, do it before you go to bed, places that relax you and put you in a good mood, that's what you want to do before you say these affirmations. Because if you're in a negative mood, then it's either not going to work or you're going to attract the wrong thing to you. So you want to make sure that you're positive, make sure you're relaxed. If you got to listen to music for a minute, if you're into meditating, all of that, that is the simple way to use your affirmations. And I really hope that this helps you. I really hope that you can build your successful business. And I am actually doing this along with you because, of course, I'm still growing, I'm still building. So we're doing this together. You can keep track of my journey on this channel or on my Instagram. Please follow me on Pinterest because I have so many good pins about the law of attraction and manifestation and affirmations and all of that. So yes, I will link that below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.